So I'm not sure like how easy this is gonna actually be to do this. So I'm gonna just put my phone up against my truck and hope that it works. But I'm gonna mess with the PTO a bit, and hopefully you can see that this obviously is not stuck at this point. That big roller does move in both directions. Let's see. The big roller on the bottom there, you can see that it does actually move when messing with the PTO. So that gives me hope that it's not going to be so seized that it's not usable. Hopefully you saw that. If you didn't, let me know and then I'll redo the video.